Google has announced a $10 billion investment to help accelerate India's digital economy. Its CEO Sundar Pichai made the announcement at the 6th edition of Google for India. Pichai also held talks with Prime Minister Modi on leveraging the power of technology to transform the lives of India's farmers, youths and entrepreneurs.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday held discussions with Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai on a wide range of subjects. The Prime Minister also discussed the challenges of global pandemic and new work culture with the top business leader. PM Modi and Sundar Pichai held discussions particularly on leveraging the power of technology to transform the lives of India's farmers, youngsters and entrepreneurs. During the meeting, PM said that focus should be on leveraging technology in providing healthcare services, ideas of virtual lab that can be used by students and farmers, importance of data security and cyber safety, technological solutions to expand the scope of online education, progress in the area of digital payments. Addressing the 6th edition of Google for India event, Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced Google for India Digitization Fund. Through this initiative, Google will invest Rs 75,000 crore in India in the next 5 to 7 years. Investments will focus on 4 areas important to India's digitization. First, enabling affordable access and information for every Indian in their own language. Second, building new products and services that are deeply relevant to India's unique needs. Third, empowering businesses as they continue or embark on their digital transformation. Fourth, leveraging technology and artificial intelligence for social good in areas like health, education and agriculture.
Through this effort, we will invest 75,000 crore rupees or approximately $10 billion into India over the next 5 to 7 years. We will do this through a mix of equity investments. Investments will focus on 4 areas important to India's digitization.
Addressing the event, Electronics and IT Minister welcomed the Google's investment of Rs 75,000 crore and said that India's moment has arrived in the digital space. IT Minister also sought for Google's greater involvement in digital inclusion programs, including the Digital Village initiative to empower millions of people.
Digital village is something very close to my heart. 1 lakh digital villages we have to set up is our announcement in the budget. I would appreciate if Google picks up a good number of cluster of villages in India in various parts and develop it as a model digital villages of empowerment, of skilling, healthcare, of telemedicine, of distant education digitally speaking, and most important, from agriculture to rural empowerment.
HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank added that ePathshala platform is helping educate more Indians and Google's investment will boost this in the coming years.
हमारा अंतिम छात्र जो दूर दराज में बैठा हुआ है उसको भी हम शिक्षा से वंचित न रख सकें। मुझे खुशी है कि गूगल एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर रहा है जो इस दिशा में हमारी मदद भी करेगा।
Global companies are looking for investments as India provides opportunities in various sectors including health and education. Prime Minister Modi's vision for Digital India has made huge progress in getting millions of Indians online. World-class telecom infrastructure, digital infrastructure and digital inclusion have paved the way for new opportunities even during COVID crisis. Bureau Report, Newsnight Desk, DTV India.